Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
3 years later, in 1984, Charles Hull made 3D printing history by inventing stereolithography. Stereolithography lets designers create 3D models using digital data, which can then be used to create a tangible object. The key to stereolithography is a kind of acrylic-based material known as photopolymer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
3D printing is cheaper than many other manufacturing methods. It allows for rapid prototyping and prevent large amounts of waste. With tried and tested 3D printers, such as those by Zortrax, operating them as simple and dedicated filaments are readily available at predictable prices.
Take our lead.
Not all of a house's components can be 3D printed. Only the walls of a 3D printed house can be 3D printed as this time, meaning a construction crew needs to finish all the other odds and ends: doors, windows, plumbing, electricity.
Take our lead.
Chuck Hull of 3D Systems invented the first ever 3D printer in the early 1980s. The first thing he printed? A tiny cup that could serve as an eye wash, according to a CNN interview. The printer worked similarly to its descendants today. A laser seals together particles of material to build an object layer by layer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.